Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you this is step by step how to create a footer menu for your website so that people can easily have access to your website. So as you can see, it's one of my website right here. I want to create a footer menu right here so that when people scroll down here, you can see ways to have access to my blog here. So let's do that real quick on this video here. So the website have menu at the top at the right side, and I want to drop another menu at the footer. So let's quickly create that right now. So to get started, you want to go to the dashboard area and go to menus. So here you are on the menu area. So you want to create menu. To create menu, you want to go to create new menu right here. When you click this, when you click that, it's going to take you to where you're gonna create new menu. So you want to name your menu. You can give it footer menu. You can give it any name you like. I want to give this menu footer menu because I'm gonna add it to the footer. So let's create the menu first. So you want to hit create menu here. Now that our menu has been created, now let's add something here. You can add pages. You can add your pages to your menu. You can add your post right here to your menu. You can also add custom link to your menu. You can add category to your menu. The custom link is a link that you want to create by yourself. Let's say you are creating this link here. So you have to decide when people click on this link here, where do you want to take them to. So if you want them to go to the home page of this website, you can just, for example, you just copy the URL and paste it on this box here, and vice versa. So that's how you create custom link. So for this purpose, I just want to add my pages to this menu right here. So let's add some pages here. So this are all my pages here. It goes to all my pages right here. So I want to add blog. I want to add about, affiliate disclosure, contact, privacy policy, and terms and condition. Now let's add to our menu. Now that our pages has been added, let's say I want to drag this one down, and there you got it. Okay, let's say I want to drag this up here, and that's how you can drag and you can change the position of the menu rather, of the items rather. So when you finish with your menu here, when you finish creating your menu, then you hit save menu down here. Now that I've created our menu, so you want to add it to the footer, right? So let's go to our widgets, to the widgets area. So you want to go to appearance here, and widgets. Click widgets here. So here are the widget area. Here is where we can add our footer menu. So we want to look for the footer bar. So this is right sidebar right here. This left sidebar right here. This is the header. This is the footer 1, footer 2, footer 3, footer 4, footer 5, footer bar. This is the footer bar right here. This is where we are going to sneak our menu. Okay, I'm using the general press. So your own might different from mine. So let's add our menu here to the footer bar. So let's click this plus here. And we want to search navigation menu. So we want to add navigation menu. So we want to select our menu from this menu here. So footer menu, the one that we just created right now. So that is it. When you finish, you hit update. Now our widgets has been added to this footer. Our menu has been added to the footer bar. Now let's go ahead and visit our website right now and see how it looks like. So let's scroll down and see how it looks like now. So it looks great. So we have terms and condition. We have about, we have contact, we have affiliate disclosure, privacy policy, and blog right there. So if our visitors scroll down to the bottom of this website, you can easily have access to our blog, privacy policy, contact, affiliate disclosure, about, terms and condition very easily. And that is it. That's how we do it. So guys, if you have any question about this video, drop it down below. Drop them down below. Drop all your comments down the bottom. Subscribe to this channel and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.